Akamwesi Mall. Can I put you in my video?
Why?
I just need to, I'm doing a travel vlog, and if you can tell us the security about this for this area. Yeah?
I'm not ready now.
No, you don't need, when are you going to be ready?
Tomorrow.
Unless there's no being ready. The mall has quite a number of stores, yeah? Welcome into another travel vlog, yeah? Today I'll be showing you around Akamwesi Mall located in Kampala, Uganda, yeah? Keep locked. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell icon so that you can get all the videos that I'll be posting. For watch this video from start to the last. This is a game parlor, and the games are quite cheap. It's 5,000 Ugandan shillings, approximately $1, yeah? So guys, please come, bring your kids to have fun, enjoy. This is the cheapest game parlor you'll find in any mall in Kampala, Uganda. So please make sure you come, endeavor, bring your kids, let them enjoy.
Sorry, madam.
Yeah, people, so the mall has quite a number of stores. There's Chinatown on Akamwesi Mall. We have the Oak Cafe, and it has a very huge parking. Yeah? Visit and explore it. Right, this is the ground floor, yeah? So the ground floor, as you enter the mall, there is a game parlor here, ice cream, and basically the first floor, as you enter, the first impression is children. There is a children's play area. As let me walk you through, just be following, watching the video. Thank you. Built in a round shape for inside. Like your outside looks different from inside. Inside looks like it's round.